Looking to build a PC on a budget? Here's a $500 PC build. For the case, get the Cooler Master Q300L. For $36, get the Gigabyte B769 MDS3H. For the motherboard, at $109. For the GPU, get the AMD Radeon RX 6500 XT at $139. Get the Intel Core i3-14100F at $90 for the CPU. For RAM and storage, get Silicon Power Value Gaming 2 sticks of DDR4 8GB and the Crucial P3 Plus 1TB. Finally, for the PSU, get the Thermaltake Smart Series 500. This comes out to lil under $500. Great for future upgrades and plays at over 100 FPS on all modern games. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content like this.